The brief is born from the need to humanize hospital spaces for adolescents. This project is done in collaboration with Hospital Vall d'Hebron, where we were asked to find creative solutions for improving the pediatric waiting rooms in this hospital. The research going from macro to micro. I chose to start with understanding humans before understanding anything else. The biopsychosocial model was first conceptualized by George Engel in 1977, suggesting that to understand a person's medical condition, it is not simply the biological factors to consider, but also the psychological and social factors. Moreover, the research is touching the idea of the non-places and environmental condition. The non-places are transitional spaces that are lacking a sense of identity or personal connection. These spaces, such as waiting rooms or hallways, can often create a feeling of disorientation and discomfort, especially in environments like hospitals. Human-centered design approach recognizes the importance of creating spaces that are tailored to the needs and experiences of the people who use them. Spaces that are not only functional, but also promote well-being and enhance the human experience. Generation Z, often referred to as digital natives, because they have grown up in a world where technology is an integral part of daily life. Gen Z is the first generation to have been born into the age of the internet and social media, and they are known for their comfort with and reliance on technology. The concept of this project is focusing on the psychology of waiting. Some waits are slow while others are fast. Depending on your mood, scenario, distraction, or your company, one wait can feel longer than the other. The amount of time that passes while waiting is often a matter of perception. The project employs the therapy approach of focused meditation, which involves focusing on a single object intently to stay in the present moment and slow down the inner dialogue. Researchers have confirmed that our preference for circles is likely rooted in the evolution of the brain to pay more attention to smooth, rounded shapes. Therefore, the circular shape is a highly important detail in the project, and it is the medium and the focus point of the project. Inside a single circle, 5 nature-based elements are designed to communicate a calming experience and to provide the short exercise of focused meditation. As Timeless starts with a mirror, like reflection of the waiting room, the journey from chaos to harmony begins. The waiting room represents the chaotic hospital surroundings, a contemplation of the patient's hospital experience, while the Timeless sequence wishes to promote a mindful state of mind. The objective of this project is to enhance the patient experience by projecting the therapy sequence in an immersive waiting room environment, thereby optimizing the wait time. Additionally, the utilization of dynamic posters that incorporate augmented reality technology would serve as an effective communication tool for patients within the hospital. Therefore, Timeless aims to break the monotony of waiting times in hospitals and to offer its patients an unexpected and mindful experience.